everyone, here's Mayuri and here I am back with a new video, and in this video I am going to share a video on how to become an unacademic educator in 2020. What exactly is the process, how they will start to pay you, there's all the things and rules and regulation, that all the things I'm going to share through this video with you. So, my dear friends, before starting, just believe me, the Unacademic Educator is the best platform to earn the money sitting at the home and having the online teaching classes. So, what exactly is the process? So, these all the things I'm going to share with you. Now, then, when they will start paying you, how much they will pay, what process you have to follow, this all the things. Okay, so we will start it. So, for first of all, what we have to do, first of all, we should go on the Play Store where you will get the two applications. First one is the Unacademic Educator, and the second one is the Unacademic Learner. Now, you wanted to be educator, so you have to download the Unacademic Educator application. After downloading it, whatever the requirements are there, whatever they told you to fill up, that all that you have to fill, that means your name, email ID, you have to sign in. This is all the process we have to follow. Now, the first step in an academic educator to become an educator in 2020, the first step is to crack the 3 minutes demo. So, for becoming an educator, you have to crack the 3 minutes demo. Now, what exactly is the 3 minutes demo? It's the live demo. Now, you have to take the small topic and you have to give a 3 minutes demo. Then, how much time you will get this 3 minutes demo to do this? There, you will this an academic educator will give you total 50 chances to crack this 3 minutes demo. This 3 minutes demo, you have to make it in a silent room, having a low, not high pitch. Slowly, you have to cover your point in 3 minutes, and in 24 hours or 48 hours, you will get back their mail ID or their message, or on the application also they will tell you that your 3 minutes demo is cracked or not. Now, what how exactly we should do 3 minutes demo? I have made the video, you can see in the description and follow us all the instructions. After cracking this 3 minutes demo, you will have to give KYC. So according to 2020, it has been added. Now KYC. What is exactly the KYC? You have to give your PAN card details, then the Aadhaar card, and also along with that, you have to prepare a 16 second. That means 1 minute. Your introduction video, introduction, what experience is there. This all the things you have to give in this KYC. That means the first step is 3 minutes demo, and then KYC, where you have to upload your Aadhaar card, PAN card, or the details that are told by an academic educator. Okay, after cracking this, what is the third step? You have to make the course one. Now, what exactly is the course one? So, for making this course one, you have to do five chapters. Five chapters related to a one course. Suppose you have taken the mathematics and one chapter from it. For that, you have to make the minimum five videos for this course one. That means five videos should be done compulsory. Or in your opinion, you can make more videos. Now, how exactly these five videos should be? It should be as whatever the rules were there for 3 minutes. This all should be followed for making the course one. Okay. Now, of how many minutes we have to do? To 10 to 15 minutes video of one you have to do for making this course one. Okay. Now, after making the five videos, you have to tell them that yes, I have did the five videos and I have uploaded to your that application educator, so they will check it out whether it is clear, like all the rules you have follows. After you have followed, if the course one is cracked, then they will give you a message that yes, it has cracked. If it is not accepted, if there is somewhat the error, then you have to make again the five videos on the course one. That means course one should be met. That means first is 3 minutes demo, then the KYC, then you have to make the course one. Now, what is the fourth step? Fourth step is a Google form. That means here in the fourth step, you have to fill a Google form. They will provide you a Google form, and in that you have to fill the information whatever it is required. Means that your experiences, all the things will be included in the Google form. And here also they will have some criteria, and as per the rules and regulations, if this Google Form is accepted by them, then they will have a phone call and they will say that yes, now you can do, or you are selected for the next round or a next step. If you are not selected, then here only your unacademic educator will be stopped. Now why? Now here at the second step we have KYC. There we have uploaded our PAN card, Aadhaar card. Okay, here we have uploaded, but we are having only a one chance. You cannot have your another email ID and you have to do for apply for an academic educator. No, you will get only a one chance. Now after this Google form is accepted by the unacademic educator, then what will be a fifth step? Here you will have to take online classes. Here you will have a online demo. Okay, here you will have a online class, and from here the fifth step you will start earning. Now here you have to have a online demo, or online you have to teach the student online, and here you will need compulsory a laptop. Here you have to make some adjustment, or you have to, no, here compulsory we should have a laptop for online classes. Here you will have the student, you have to teach them lab. For here we have to do in month of 5 videos, 5 live videos we have to do in this fifth step. Now after this fifth step, here you have to not only teach as it is, they will pay you 1,000 for one video. Okay, now from the students to whom you had teach, they will take the feedback from them, rating from them, that how exactly you had teach. Is all the things will be considered here. If they think that yes, you are a good, you are good a teacher, then you will become a plus educator, and from here you will start, they will start the payment for you. So these are the 5 steps that you have to go for becoming an academic educator in 2020. Hope you understand this all the concept and you become a plus educator. So all the best guys for this unacademic educator. Thank you.